Hey, I'm Hannah. Oh, there we go. There we go. So, yes. Is this girl I like? Well, I don't like her. My level's her. Her name is Nita. Yes, Nita. I think that's how you pronounce it. Nita. For sure. Look at the window. The shirt is making me happy. Oh! Anyways, she is gorgeous. I love her to death. Yes, I said love. I love this person, and I don't even know what I'm saying. Let me start over.